Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play split screen on Call of Duty Cold War on Xbox One. First, ensure your second controller is connected and powered on. Once in the game, head to the main menu. You'll then need to select either the multiplayer or zombies mode to proceed. This method is straightforward and gets you into the action quickly with a friend. After selecting your desired game mode, player 1 will be in the lobby. Now, using the second controller, simply press the button. You'll be prompted to sign in. Choose a different Xbox profile or a guest account. Once signed in, player 2 will seamlessly join the lobby, ready for the next match. It's that easy to get a second player in.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Quick recommendation: if you're looking to change how you think about money, check out The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that could truly transform your financial perspective. You can find the link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
With both players in the lobby, you can now collaboratively select your preferred game mode. Call of Duty Cold War offers split-screen support for many multiplayer options and the popular Zombies mode. Discuss your strategy and ensure both players are prepared before the match begins. Get ready for some intense two-player action on your Xbox One. While split screen is great, keep a few things in mind. Performance can sometimes be less smooth on older Xbox One consoles due to the increased processing. For online matches, a strong internet connection is crucial to avoid lag. Also, remember that not every single game mode in Cold War supports split screen play. Always check first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.